Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Today was the final day in the appeal trial hearing for embattled dancehall artist Vybz Kartel. The prosecution made their submissions this morning, which outlined that retired High Court Judge Justice Lennox Campbell was correct in making the decision to allow video exhibits to be included in the Vybz Kartel murder trial. A prosecutor further told the appeal court that he cannot explain how 3 phone calls were made from the mobile phone of Vybz Kartel 9 days after it was handed over to police investigators. The phones were handed over to the police on September 13, 2011. However, the calls were made on October 9 in 2011. While making his submission, Assistant Director of Public Prosecution Orrit Brown stated that he would not attempt to advance an explanation. During the trial, a police investigator testified that the phone dialed itself as he tried to account for the calls while the police had the phone. The Court of Appeal judges will now deliberate their verdict based on the arguments presented by the defense and the prosecution attorneys. Dancehall artist Popcorn released his highly anticipated album Forever. This release follows months of promotion, which included a co-sign from close friend Canadian rapper Drake. The 17-track album is a follow-up to Popcorn's 2014 album Where We Come From, which received high praises. Produced by Dre Skull and Mixpac Records, the album contains a lone feature from Nigerian Afrobeats singer Davido, who appears on the song Done Rich. The Forever album features Popcorn's trademark sound on songs like Deserve It All and Strong Woman. The album also features the previously released singles Body So Good and Firm and Strong. Yesterday, on his birthday, Popcorn premiered the Forever album live and direct from a Kingston Street party held at the Triple Century parking lot in Kingston. The dancehall superstar then performed some of the tracks in front of a selection of friends and collaborators. Available now on iTunes, fans can stream the project in its entirety for free on Spotify. Popcorn is slated to headline the 2018 Reggae Sumfest Festival tonight in Montego Bay. 5-time World Clash champion sound Mighty Crown is crowned the winners of Reggae Sumfest 2018 World Clash held at Pier 1 in Montego Bay, St. James last night. The Japanese sound system beat last year's champion, Popular Sound System selected Tony Matterhorn in the final. To the delight of fans, the competition featured an elimination phase that gave patrons the opportunity to decide which selectors should stay at the end of several rounds of 10-minute jugglings. Selectors Pink Panther and Ricky Trooper were eliminated in this round, paving the way for Mighty Crown Tony Matterhorn to do battle in the final round. The Japanese sound played a slew of Beres Hammond, Jimmy Cliff and Supercat songs in the face-off with Tony Matterhorn.
When the people are represent Bobby, I say Bobby! I want you to make fun! I'm me and Ricky Trooper!
And that's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.